shine upon you. All love surround you.
Birth as a process has been medicalized.
Anyone born in our developed high-tech birthing environments is on alert.
A cultural style that can build in distressed responses to life.
We birth sympathetic nervous systems rather than parasympathetic nervous systems, literally. And we're always ready for fight or flight, ready to.
Birth as a process informs our expectations and preferences in later life. And I think being guilty has been like a strategy.
Being guilty keeps you safe.
Right.
I've done it wrong. I know that, I'm going to do it wrong again. And
Healing distressed or distorted learning due to an overwhelming birth process can hugely benefit adult flourishing.
Most people decide it's not safe to have a body. There's no one here for me. I have to do this all by myself. So I came up with the archetypal affirmations. And that's what we give life to when we're breathing.
Binnie A. Dansby has developed a form of warm water breathwork that can enable healing of unresolved birth process.
What arises is anything unlike safety and support. And what arises to be received or healed, changed. It arises to be chosen as a way of being.
The first time I met Binnie, what I felt, everything she was telling me it felt like remembering the truth. It wasn't like news, it was reminding me of the truth.
I trusted my body. Well, I guess I felt that if I have enough support, I could do anything.
With generous support from the Estonian breathwork group and an individual donor, we have recorded enough material for a substantial film that will show the warm water breathwork process and how and why it's valuable. This film has been a joy to work on, and it's been such a privilege to work with Binnie and the group in Estonia. And now we're raising funds for the completion of the film. Approximately 2 to 3 months of editing and production cost money. And to that end, we're raising money towards our target of £41,965 sterling. We've already received generous donations totaling £7,650, which leaves us a further £34,315 to reach our goal. If you or anyone you know can contribute to the project, please do get in touch. I look forward to hearing from you. So thank you again, and all the best.